How using AI to gain customer insights has totally not worked for me. Welcome to 3 ways AI actually worked for me and 3 ways that it didn't during my job as a product manager. So I've been trying to leverage AI in almost everything I do, and sometimes it works and sometimes it really doesn't. And I don't know about you, but having AI compile customer insights for me simply does not work. And I'm talking specifically about all these products that claim to help you classify customer calls and pull out insights. I'm not saying that they totally don't work and that they don't offer some value, because I do actually use a lot of these tools and I'm often using AI to help me look at customer notes. However, I have noticed that LLMs can sometimes be straight up wrong. And the LLM lacks context and judgment. So the way that they would classify a specific customer insight is different from how I would classify it. I always find that I try to use an LLM to analyze like customer calls or something, and I always end up actually listening to the call or reading the transcript. I was listening to some podcast where some hotshot CPO was talking about how no amount of AI summary can actually replace joining customer calls and talking to customers, and this is totally true. A lot of times, these products that try to analyze customer feedback fall flat because they don't have enough customization and they don't have enough context or judgment. So when it comes to really identifying trends and prioritizing what matters and figuring out those patterns, they really do fall short. However, I do think AI is really useful for searching through calls, filtering for calls with most relevant information, and kind of doing that directional first pass. But ultimately, I always still end up having to read the raw information myself. I guess I still have a job for the next 6 months. I'm Diana, and I break down tech startups and AI without the hype. Stay tuned for parts 5 to 6.